Welcome to the channel. Today we will look at how automation and artificial intelligence, AI, are transforming the quality of work life, from reducing stress to improving work-life balance. The picture highlights the duality of automation. On the one hand, it improves efficiency, but it can also create uncertainty about job stability. If you want to learn how to implement these technologies in a way that benefits both your company and your employees, stay until the end of the video. According to the study, Automation and Job Satisfaction, Journal of Occupational Health Psychology. This study reveals that automation of repetitive tasks improves job satisfaction by 20% by freeing up time for higher value activities. Automation has improved work-life balance in sectors such as banking and manufacturing. Some benefits obtained: reduced overtime, greater flexibility to work from home, reduced operational workload. According to the study, the role of AI in reducing workplace stress. Harvard Business Review 65% of employees surveyed reported a significant decrease in stress by automating tasks such as managing emails and scheduling meetings. Some benefits were lower absenteeism related to mental health issues, increased focus on strategic tasks. According to the study, digital tools and employee empowerment, MIT Sloan Management Review. Employees who use digital tools experience an 18% increase in the perception of control and autonomy in their daily tasks. According to the study, Job Insecurity in the Age of Automation, Journal of Applied Psychology. 40% of employees in operational roles express fear for their job stability. Companies can mitigate this insecurity through transparent communication and retraining programs. Implement awareness workshops to explain to employees how automation complements, rather than replaces, their roles. Clear communication and retraining programs are very important. Siemens and Amazon have implemented training programs to help their employees adapt to new technologies. Some of the benefits obtained were increased confidence in job security, reduced personnel turnover by 15%. Well-managed automation not only improves operational efficiency, but can also transform the work environment into a more balanced and motivating space. Companies that prioritize the well-being of their employees while implementing technology achieve higher levels of engagement and satisfaction. If you want to implement automation strategies that improve the quality of work life in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design a plan that balances efficiency and wellness. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day life within the company.